What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Well Free. Today I'm reviewing Bulletproof Coffee. Now, Bulletproof Coffee sort of came to be known years ago by the health and wellness influencer Dave Asprey, and the reason it sort of rose was because it was claimed to be mold-free and mycotoxin-free, and the idea behind Bulletproof Coffee was to mix your Bulletproof Coffee, or the brand Bulletproof, with a grass-fed butter in order to buffer the caffeine absorption so that you don't have a caffeine spike and a caffeine crash when you drink your coffee. Now, today I'm reviewing the quality of the brand Bulletproof Coffee. And the reason I'm doing that is because there's a lot of brands in the health and wellness space, and over the last few months, I've really done a deep dive in the coffee space to understand what's going on, what's true, and what's not. Now, this brand in particular, Bulletproof, they claim to test for mold and mycotoxins. That was the first sort of claim back in the day, and they still claim that to this day. But upon further research, when I went to their website, if you look at the header of the website, which is the top, or the footer, which is the bottom of the website, there's literally zero links. There's zero things to click. There's nothing to click that verifies that it's mycotoxin or mold-free, or that there is any lab tests. So even if they claim it's mold or mycotoxin free, there's actually no lab tests for me as the consumer to validate and verify that what they're claiming is actually true. So that was the first red flag for me. The next thing is Rainforest Alliance Certified right there. Now you see that on chocolate and you see that on different products. That's a good thing. Rainforest Alliance Certified means it's just not too damaging to the rainforest ecosystem, but it's also not the gold standard for something growing in a rainforest climate. And I'll get to that a bit more in a minute. But the other thing you should know is that Bulletproof Coffee, claiming to be high quality, there's no organic certification and there's nothing else on the back. I mean, it's really just Rainforest Alliance Certified, which when you see that, it makes you feel good because you feel like you're friends with the little colorful frogs in the rainforest, but it doesn't necessarily mean a whole lot in terms of the quality of the end product. So personally, the fact that it's not necessarily mycotoxin or mold-free, the fact that an influencer started the brand and now the influencer isn't working with the brand, that also sort of a red flag to me. And the fact that it's just Rainforest Alliance Certified, there's no organic certification and there's no testing and there's nothing to show or prove to me that it has any of those quality standards or metrics that they claim is all really not that great. Furthermore, Bulletproof Coffee is sourced from Central and South America, and it's sourced from a lot of different farms. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing, but it's not really a good thing either, because the more farms you source from, the more likely you are to have shipping delays, contamination, and mold growth. It also just shows that they don't necessarily have the best, highest quality farms as well, because if you're sourcing from many places, as they are, it doesn't necessarily lend or speak to the quality of the brand. Now, with that being said, there is another coffee brand that has something called Smithsonian Bird Friendly. Now, this brand is called Purity Coffee. It's certified organic, as you can see. It's Smithsonian Bird Friendly right there. And it's also Demeter certified biodynamic. And I'll explain what that is here. But just to compare, Rainforest Alliance Certified simply means, and I'll read it to you, that it doesn't need to be shade grown. It doesn't need to be organic, and then it's just sort of like worker protection, which isn't really clear. So, however, Smithsonian Bird Friendly focuses on biodiversity, which is the ecosystem having a rich nutritional profile and keeping everything harmonious, bird habitat, shade grown, more tree species, more canopy layers. It has to have a minimum of a 12-meter canopy layer and a 40% covering. Organic is required, and it's considered the gold standard of coffee. So Purity Coffee is, once again, Smithsonian Bird Friendly. You can see that right there. They have 3 stamps of approval on theirs. Certified organic is not necessarily the best, and I'll explain that. And this is good that it's certified organic, but certified organic doesn't mean as much as it used to mean. What really stood out to me on here is it's certified biodynamic right there. So organic can still have some different pesticides and things. So when I see a brand like Bulletproof that doesn't even have organic on it, you know there's gonna be pesticides in here. But then when I see a brand that has organic, okay, there's gonna be less pesticides. But then when I see biodynamic, which you literally don't see at all in coffee companies like Purity Coffee has, you know this is the highest quality gold standard you could possibly get. So not only that, the Purity brand is sourced from Central America, but they also source from Ethiopia. Now, what you should know is that our coffee Arabica, I'm just gonna say it like that, it is the heirloom, that heirloom version of coffee it's sourced from Ethiopia. That's where that heirloom coffee started, heirloom being the original. So the fact that Purity Coffee also has Ethiopian coffee really tells me that they care about the quality and the standard of their brand. Additionally, in terms of testing, what I found from Purity that I didn't find on Bulletproof's website was Purity Coffee actually has lab tests. Now, what's interesting about that is not only do they have lab tests, but they have a lab test that is, what they do is they do double lab testing. So they test leaving the origin country. So if it's like Costa Rica, for example, or Ethiopia, they test it in that country, but then they also test it when it gets to the US to ensure that there was no contamination in the shipping process. And I actually reached out to them about this and communicated with them, and they said that they have had batches that tested great in the origin country, say once again Costa Rica or Ethiopia. However, when they got to the US, they were contaminated, so they threw the entire batch out. No other brand that I've spoken with or even heard has done anything close to that. So I really appreciate the gold standard that Purity Coffee has with that. Additionally, Bulletproof is going to be slightly better than your average coffee because of the Rainforest certification, and it's going to have slightly higher antioxidants than, say, something like Black Rifle Coffee or something really low quality like Starbucks. However, Purity Coffee has literally the highest antioxidant levels tested in the entire industry, which what that means is that your flavor profiles pop. It gives you more life and flavor. And I give these as gifts now. The Flow one people really like, the Ease one. They have a lot of different varieties, which is really nice, light, medium, dark roasts, and just a huge variety. And people love this coffee because the flavor just pops more than your typical coffee from Central America or from South America, which, like I said, some of this is, but some of it's from Ethiopia as well. Moving on, so antioxidant levels are huge. And then the other thing too that's really important to keep in mind is Purity Coffee. They're looking at the soil quality, the coffee bean testing quality, the antioxidant levels, the mycotoxin and mold levels, and the heavy metal levels. There's no heavy metals or mold or mycotoxins. It's the highest in the good things and it's the lowest in the bad things. So, a lot of people talk about Bulletproof coffee, but it's not that great. It is not even organic. This is organic and certified biodynamic and Smithsonian Bird Friendly, which means that it's grown in more biodiverse and rainforest environment, whereas this is like your more standard farming operation. It's the difference between regenerative agriculture and your standard farming operation that is going to use chemicals and pesticides. That's literally the difference here. And you're looking at like $7, $6 more a bag or something, $6 more a bag. And they're the same size. They're both 12 ounces. So it's totally worth it considering you're not going to have all the bad things and you're going to have higher antioxidants, higher polyphenols, chlorogenic acids, things like that. So check out Purity Coffee. And the other thing too is Bulletproof only has a few flavors, and then they started getting into like supplements and stuff. Purity Coffee is a through and through, true and true coffee company. They have light roast. This one's for metabolic health. They have decaffeinated as well. They have, this one is dark roast for digestive health. They have another one called Protect for liver health. They have one called Flow, which is incredible. So they have a nice range of light, medium, and dark roasts, and a really nice variety of coffees that I can literally smell these more than I could smell that too. Like that tells you something. The color of something and the smell of something gives you an indicator of the quality of the product, especially when it comes in the health and wellness space. I like to look at the color and the smell of the supplements and coffee and products that I take. And I could say from firsthand experience that the better the color and the better the smell, the more nutritionally dense it is. I've just seen that over the years, and I've been in this industry for a long time. So anyways, the other cool thing is with Purity Coffee, you're actually gonna get 20% off today. So if you click the link below, it's puritycoffee.com/healthywellfree, you're gonna get 20% off your Purity Coffee. So it'll actually be cheaper, and you're just gonna get better coffee for you and your family. So check that out. Once again, Bulletproof is just overrated in my opinion. It doesn't do the job, it doesn't do the trick. But Purity Coffee, it stands head and shoulders above the rest, and get 20% off in the description below. And if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands that I've personally vetted as a health and wellness coach, I've done this for many, many years. I've been in the industry for 17 years. Check out healthywildfree.com/shop below in the comments. You'll get discount codes, free shipping on all the highest quality brands that are grass-fed, organic, biodynamic, and so much more. I'm talking supplements, superfoods, health technology, and so much more. Check it out below, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments and questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.